Alright guys, this is section C on the green truck. Just going over the parts. This is a header board with rivets. You got a front and side clearance lights at the top. You got the trailer frame. DOT tape should be 50% on the side of the trailer. You got the landing gear with sand feet. Sand feet in a fully raised position. Handle in the lock secure position. You have cross members. These are cross members under the trailer. You have a multifunctional light, both driver side and passenger side. Serves as a left and right turn signal, four-way flasher, and a marker light. Amber in color because it's at the front of the trailer. This is a tandem release arm. This is the tandem frame. This is spring mounts, leaf springs, U-bolt, shock absorber, airbag. That's your suspension. The brakes, the brake chamber, brake hoses, slack adjuster and push rod is at the back of the brake chamber. Brake drum and brake linings on the inside of the tire. You have the bud spacer. This is the tire, the rim, lug nuts, hub axle seal, valve stem wick cap. This is axle 4. Same way you explain axle 4, you can explain axle 5. Skip axle 5. Go to the mud flap. Mud flap should be 8 inches off the ground. This is a door tie-down latch. There's no ABS light on the back of this trailer. This is a rear side marker light. You have the L-shaped reflectors at the top. You have the door hinges. This is the door handle and latches. This is the door safety catch. This is DOT reflective tape, 100% across the back of the trailer. Red and white in color. This is a multifunctional light, and also this is a multifunctional light. This multifunctional light serves as a left and right turn signal, four-way flasher, and a marker light. This multifunctional light is a brake light and a marker light. You got 3 marker lights on the back of this trailer. This is on the green truck. Got the license plate tag light. Also, you gotta say this trailer doesn't have a lift gate. And that's the end of C.